This Christmas, give yourself the gift of strength. You're over 40, but you're not done. You're just getting started on your fitness journey. This Christmas, give yourself the gift of strength and health. They say getting lean and muscular after 40 is impossible. That's a lie. You can be strong, ripped, and full of energy. Let's review the key training principles to achieve your fitness goals over 40. After 40, it's not about ego. It's about consistency, smart training, and recovery. Aim to train 3 to 5 times a week. Lift heavy weights to build muscle, and move every day to stay active. Next, let's talk about the essential component, your nutrition strategy. Eat for muscle. Prioritize more protein and whole foods in your diet. Enjoy Christmas with friends and family, but don't let holiday eating control you. Remember to consume less sugar. Sleep is your secret weapon for fitness, especially after 40. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to let your body rebuild and recover. During recovery, your muscles grow stronger. Don't skip on rest. Let's redefine your transformation goal. You don't need to look younger. You need to focus on looking and feeling stronger. Aim to be strong at 40, stronger at 50, and unstoppable for the rest of your life. This Christmas, don't just make a wish. Make a decision. Start now. Commit to your new habits today and stay disciplined throughout the holiday season and beyond. Become the strong, disciplined man you respect. We've covered the core pillars: smart training, proper nutrition, and essential recovery. If you want realistic fitness advice for men over 40, subscribe to the channel, Kuang Man Over 40 Staying Fit, for future videos. Let's build strength, one day at a time. Merry Christmas, and stay strong.